Tequila.
What number are you looking for? 14.
13.
11, 13.
I know, but some of these new bills go up in ones, don't they?
Yeah, mate. I look beautiful, me, eh?
You do know they'll be watching you.
I can do.
Of course you can, it's one of them ring doorbells.
Ah.
Fucking hell. That's it. Man, I nearly went for a bird and then. Saw them. I nearly went through that window. I tripped up that bit. That's it. Yes. Okay.
Delivery. Yeah, can you just post it through the letterbox?
What?
Can you post it in the letterbox?
Okay.
No, not behind the wall. No. No. Post it in the door. Do not leave it there. Post it through the door, please. Do not leave it there. It will be taken.
Не чувам, но...
Hi.
Can you post it through the door, please?
Is door is closed?
Post it in the letterbox.
Left, yeah, here.
No. Letterbox in the door.
Where's the door? This is door.
Where you put the letters through. It will fit through.
The next door.
No. Oh, wow. You don't speak. Through the letterbox in the door.
Left.
No, not
here.
to the left. The letterbox.
Here.
The box
Here.
in the door. The box in the door.
The book. Where's the book?
The silver plate on the door.
No, tomorrow. I have time till tomorrow.
No, I can't. I'm not going to be there.
No.
Excuse me, I'm recording this. Put it through the door.
Oh shit. Hello, Rupert. That's right, yeah. Okay, I'll get this one. Okay.
Hi, mate, you okay?
Yeah, good parcel. Oh,
Just leave it on the floor there, mate. I think she's having a...
not a problem. Alright.
Hold on, Amy. Hiya, the owner of that car. Which one's that one there? Yeah. Is the owner home? My grandson's car. Is your grandchild? Okay, so we've had reports that his car isn't legal. So it's been reported that it pops bang, bang, bang when you're driving it.
It pops bang, bang, bang when you're driving it.
Hiya. We can't. The problem is though is that that's actually illegal because it's too loud. It's classed as antisocial behaviour.
You're trying to make out with a camera.
I can see you.
Oh,
Yes.
I was doing weird things for Harry to see.
Yes.
I was doing weird things and that so you would see. And you should have seen them. You should have seen what I was doing as well. You should have seen one.
Oh God, are you alright?
Oh.
Closer than that.
Mom. You almost slipped.
Oh my god, I so need to, please get me in the house, I can't
Oh, poor you'd have to keep your dogs. You'd have to keep your dogs, no?
I'm okay. I'm so sorry. I broke something though. Oh yeah, dude. Bro, I literally just ate so much shit. Oh my god, are you okay? Yeah, bro, I tripped on my long fucking pants.
You gotta go into the house in that minute. What is it?
That was super nasty. Oh my god.
Yes, I would.
Keeps clapping.
See you later.
See you tomorrow then.
Ring ding.
Oh, stink. See you later.